go down and reload, maybe.
Okay, all right,
Well,
man.
the CPU is 18.
So, are we ready?
Just get the take off. Yeah.
Should we go now?
Yeah, 70% on the drone. Okay, let's go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
You can go.
All right, let's go.
Can you turn the avionics? Avionics off, please.
Silence. When I got this link from my lips, I should ride hill.
Yes.
Oh no, that's signature.
Thank you so much.
You welcome. Backflip. Hey, you want me to backflip up here? Hey, can we backflip? What? Come on. Oh yeah, you're right. All right, come on, come on.
Take off it off.
Hey, come on.
Check to make sure that it's on the main pack, right?
Is the mic in the car though?
Yes. I already tested it. Here's like you
Vaseline?
Here's like you
Bro, my hand's dirty as hell.
Wi-Fi, you're good. Wi-Fi means you're here. It's easy Ethernet, you're good.
And it's not. What about the GoPro?
Your GoPro's Wi-Fi here.
In
Put that on.
what, this one?
Now,
I'll put it on, bro.
I'm saying now to Anthony. Sorry, now go sit here. Yes, I need you to sit. This guy's in the way. Taylor, switch to the GoPro.
48 million, very slow track.
On DJI. Let me know when you're good. Okay.
Watch out.
All right, you're on GoPro.
I'm on GoPro?
You gotta sit here. You gotta sit here.
Watch out, guys. Watch out.
Yo.
Slow down.
Streaming, live streaming.
This is a quick flex, man. I need a quick flex.
Saying goodbye to you from Nairobi.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you for visiting.
Thank you. No, thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, are we ready? Huh?
Some space.
Everybody show up, chat. Come on, 48 million all the way. Is the drone gonna show the view too?
Oh, the drone's gonna get you taking off.
Wait.
It can't follow you. That's not allowed.
All right, well,
But it can get you taking off.
that's all what matters.
Yeah. Here. Copy. Put your headset on.
Okay.
This right up to your lips.
Wait, what you say?
Two.
I'm at 48 million though. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see it. Yeah. Hey. Hey, alright, it's one out. Wait, it's no audio. It's audio, no voice. Oh, yo, it says it's audio. It's no audio. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Okay, it's good. Okay, let's go. Wait, bro, is this wait fine? We got two big people. Four? Bro, is the wait fine on the helicopter? What? Is this wait fine? We got Henry. No. Yes, you will. You have the freaking headphones. Wait, yo, guys. Wait, fine. We got 200 KDs right here. Okay, let's go. Everybody show up, yo. Let's hit 48 million. Oh my God. We got 20,000 subs away from 48 million. Let's go, Kenya. Let's go, baby. Now I'm about to show the beautiful city of Kenya now. Let's go. Oh my God. Imagine if I hit it on a helicopter. Yo. Don't yell, holy chat. When I yell, does it is it Let's go. Oh my gosh, y'all. I hope this weight is. You got really, really Henry. That is right now. Oh, what? Oh, I fixed it. Okay, now. Hey, can you hear me now? No, we can hear you. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright, Chad, let's go see the beautiful Kenya. Helicopter to... Initially for I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, I said, can you do that for me for this ride? Oh, come on. Oh, so we take it off. We're gonna take it off. Okay, come to the... We call next, ABC Chris. 22,000 subs remaining for me to hit 48 million, y'all. 22,000 subs remaining. Come on, guys. Oh, we're taking off. Yo! We are taking off in Kenya! Let's go! Everybody sub up, everybody subscribe, man. Look at the beautiful city of Kenya. This is amazing. Looking at the beautiful, majestic city of Kenya, man. I really hope we're not lagging right now. But if we're not, this is honestly beautiful, chat. George. This is amazing, guys. Look at Kenya, bro. We're 17,000 subs away, man. Holy crap. This is Nairobi City. Nairobi City, baby. We are in air live. Woo! What's up, guys? How are you? We are here. Subbing up, bro. Everybody sub up, bro. Everybody sub up, man. Bro, really in the air of Kenya, of Nairobi City, bro. What a beautiful city it is. This is such a beautiful city, chat. Hey, yo, this is amazing, bro. We're really on a helicopter right now. In Kenya, bro. Can I say the mic? You said what? What did you say? What did you say? No, stop by. Looking for the other traffic. Oh, crap. Look at that stadium. That's a stadium right there. Ow. Oh, so we're 15,000 subs away from 48 million. Everybody keep subbing up. 15K away. Holy crap, this city's beautiful, man. God damn. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful city, man. Beautiful. Rifiuta helicopter 5 chiamando Bravo. Hello, Bravo, Italy. Request frequency change to Nairobi. Hello, Bravo. I know. Coming in for 181. Oh, we are planning back. It's fine. I just switched to GoPro, you know what I mean? This is a little bit. Amazing, bro. So amazing, bro. I love y'all, bro. Seriously, bro. Everybody in the stream right now, I genuinely love y'all, man. Y'all really show support. Everybody in Kenya, we are currently 15,000 subs away from 48 million, man. Like, we really smashed this stream. Kenya really smashed the stream. The next 5-10 minutes, we're going to hit 48 million. I already see it, bro. Everybody's just filling up the W's in the stream, man. Seriously. Amazing.
Hotel November Bravo
Honestly
Hotel.
amazing, guys.
Out of KICC rooftop for Nairobi.
And also, shout out to Nairobi Secrets.
Request chance to Nairobi National Park low level.
Shout out to production, man. They really nailed this part.
Hotel November
I'm on a
Bravo
helicopter and y'all can still hear me and I'm Serena right now.
Come on, over to
Africa. You know what I mean? This is insane.
November Bravo.
Crazy, man. LB production, bro. LB production. Oh, man. Jungle, man. It's like a whole jungle, dog. The mansions over there. Crazy.
Breakfast, what's up, helicopter 5 Yankee. Hotel November Bravo.
Wow, bro. What a beautiful city.
Hotel November Bravo.
Beautiful city,
The
dog.
formation of 2 helicopters. You requested transit.
Transit approved, unit 1020.
Come on, over to transit approved.
11K away. 11K away. Holy, bro. We're 10K away, guys. 10K away. Oh my god. W, the chat, bro. You're about to make me cry. Here, bro. King is about to make me cry, bro.
I'm shortly coming to Talanta Stadium.
Damn, bro, this city is so big. This city's so big, chat. So big.
Shortly coming to Talanta Stadium. Slightly to its right.
Oh, this shit is cold as hell. Oh, look at the stadium. I've never seen that stadium. Is that the Kenya National Stadium?
I know.
Kenya National Stadium. Looks amazing. And that's a good looking stadium. Oh. W Stadium, bro. Oh wait, are they making that now? Is it even done? Chinese in them. Nairobi. Oh, man.
Oh, what a great sight. What a... Excuse?
Oh, Talanta Stadium?
Wait, karibu na mdogo.
Never heard about that stadium.
Again?
Guys, there's gotta be like, there's gotta be lions in this jungle right here. There has to be.
Open to 5 Sierra Lima Charlie, release to you with 6 miles to the visual marker.
For 9,000
Transfer
souls away.
from visual marker. Camp number 1 final zone 07.
Visual marker
9,000 subs away. 9,000.
Sierra Lima Charlie.
Crazy, bro. It's crazy how so much things in the city. Give me a safari in a city, right in the same like same part. Like, huh? $9K away, guys. $9K away.
Welcome to Nairobi National Park.
Yes, we
Hey.
are now
Oh, yeah.
entering Nairobi National Park, where we promise to show you animals in their free ranging.
Literally a mixture of everything.
The ones we saw at the orphanage is rescued, so these ones are not rescued, they are in natural habitat. Now we should be able to
Wait.
see some of them.
Whoa. What is this turn, bro? Holy, this is a sharp turn.
See the animals over there?
Look at the animals over there.
Yeah, in front of us.
So I feel like, yo, we should land. I'm out there 48 million. We landed? Yo, what is up? Wait, what? Cheetahs?
Lisa.
Them are, Anthony, do you not see the animals? nothing, bro. You didn't see.
Turning left.
Alright.
Turning right.
Okay, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Don't try to.
George, you can give me some bit of space, huh? George. I'll see antelopes. To see whether there is any lion coming
Envelopes
to
and everything.
turning left.
Yo, we should land because I'm about to hit. I don't want to miss 48 million. Oh, yo, I'm back. Hey, bro. Holy. Finally, no?
Park is only 15 minutes drive from the central center. Which side? Very accessible to anyone coming from business. Nairobi City.
Autopilot, let's land because I'm about to hit 48 million.
Not land.
No, I'm saying, like, let's go back.
Charlie surfacing 0310 knots, runway 07, get land.
What?
Good land, runway 07, Yankee Sierra Lima.
George,
Go ahead.
reaching back to time.
I should have said 5. I'm trying to do a backflip when I hit 48 million. No, I know.
Welcome to helicopter 5 Yankee Hotel November Bravo and Company. This is Mike.
Helicopter Delta Sierra Mike, go.
It's so beautiful, bro.
Helicopter Hotel November Bravo, Santa.
Oh my god, we're 5,000 away.
Detail complete.
Oh, I don't want to hit him to the next day, bro. I don't want to hit 48 million in the helicopter, bro. Oh,
Helicopter Hotel
no.
November Bravo, next port destination in sight.
Oh, we're talking about that 48 million.
Helicopter Hotel November Bravo, state next destination.
Stand by.
If I hit 48 million on a helicopter, I hit it on a helicopter. I hit it on a helicopter, bro. He hit it on a helicopter. We hit it on a
Helicopter
helicopter.
Hotel November Bravo, route virus, coast, keep your active, center line on 07.
I'm gonna be safe no matter what.
Copy 1020, my response.
I just gotta embrace it, chat. I just gotta embrace it. If we hit 48 million right now, I'm gonna embrace it, bro. I would like to get super hyped and do a backflip, but it is what it is, bro.
Judge.
Oh,
Yeah, we can, of course, sir. Coming up.
5K away, man. 5K away. Holy. Really on a helicopter right now, man. Bro, Kenya is so beautiful, bro.
It's a beautiful country with beautiful landscapes.
Charlie backtrack number 1, ground 129.
Helicopter is dope to hit 48 million. Is it really though? It is kind of dope. It's
Oh, we shot behind you. Coming up, okay, I see.
Okay, man.
Welcome to helicopter Hotel November Bravo.
Helicopter Hotel November Bravo, Santa.
Short of ABC, please request frequency change for time.
48 million, baby!
124 decimal place.
Watch for it, take it up.
Those the views? I'm trying to show y'all the views, but I don't want the sun to like.
It's Peter Helicopter Hotel November
I'll
Bravo.
show y'all the views, but the sun is gonna act like I'm on that.
Still information of 2 helicopters, destination flight for the coming to ABC, please request transit.
It's really a blessing, bro. A blessing from God.
Destination in sight.
This is a blessing from God. God, y'all. Love y'all, man.
This is 5 Yankee Hotel November Bravo. 5 Yankee Hotel November Bravo. We are mission of 2 helicopters, Hotel November Bravo. Delta Sierra Mike.
3K away.
Request a transit for 5 Hotel. Yeah, we on board on Delta Sierra Mike, Hotel November Bravo 3.
Here we go, bro. We about to hit it, man. We're about to hit it.
On the line to call you the second whistle, Hotel November Bravo.
No, you don't need it right there. We're about to hit it, bro. Oh my God, bro. I'm about to cry, bro. I'm about to cry, Chad. We about to hit it, bro.
Yeah, I'm setting calls initially for 2 rivers to give you time to float.
Hey.
Go ahead for Hotel November.
Oh, but my phone.
The Station 5 Hotel in at Village Market. This time, the station whistle.
2,000 subs away, chat. 2,000. Okay, you put it up now.
Hotel November Bravo to 9.
2,000 subs away from 48 million, bro. 2,000 subs away from 48 million.
Judge.
Oh my goodness.
Judge, we check.
Oh my. Oh my God, we're 1K away. We're about to hit 1,000 subs. In the helicopter, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, I'll see what
You still have any vision?
Oh my goodness.
Look at this, but I know where the place is now.
A bunch of subs away.
Are you building to the...
A bunch of subs away.
I'll tell you.
Here we go.
I'll tell you when to give me space.
Here we go.
48,000, man.
No, you saw it. No, see to the view. Oh my. 48. 48. 48 million! Let's go, Kenya! Bro, that's so fucking much, bro! We just hit 48 million in the helicopter in Kenya, bro! We did it, bro! We fucking did it! I fucking love y'all, bro! I love y'all so much, bro! W give you in the chat! We gained 260,000 subs this stream! 260,000 subs, bro! That shit is crazy, bro! I have never gained as much subs in the African country ever, bro! Kenya has took the #1 spot! 48 damn million, bro! We did it! Let's go, bro! Split up the W's in the damn chat, bro! Split up the W's! Oh my God! Oh my goodness, bro! I can't believe we did it, bro! I can't believe we did it, bro!
Request one to check.
We did it, man!
Hotel November Bravo, second twin, this is northeast at northeast area. Coming on 6314.
Can't believe it, man! I can't believe it, bro! Kenya really made it happen, bro! Made it happen, man!
You have me? Yeah, coming to 9 o'clock. Hi.
We really made it happen, man! You really made it happen, man!
How are you?
Oh, you can't, bro! I'm about to jump off this damn helicopter, dog! Oh my God, dude! Love y'all, bro! I love y'all, bro, so much, bro! I love y'all so much! Ever, ever, bro. Ever, I swear, bro. In my life, bro. We gained 300. Bro, we started the stream off with 47.7. Gained 306. I lost the words. I don't even know. Yeah, bro. We had 48 million. Hear me? So we had 48 million, bro. We had 48 million. We had 48 million. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Wait, how do we switch to yeah? How do we switch to DJ? Yeah. Okay, do it. Do it.
Alright, I'm gonna see that. Chat. Are we on DJ? Are we on here? Chat, are we on DJ? Are we on DJ right now? Can y'all hear me? Spell pizza if y'all can hear me. Spell pizza. Hey, bro, go quiet there, man. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody, Kenya, everybody in the chat, I love y'all so much. Y'all sold out. We gained 360,000 subs this stream and hit 48 million. I love every single one of y'all, and I wish y'all the best. And Kenya, I will never forget y'all. I love y'all. Woo! Kenya #1 right now, baby. Bring that ball!